I don't remember BGC being as beautiful as it is right now. We still don't have this in the West, so the fact that Philippines does, good for you guys. This isn't what I'm used to, I can tell you that. Would it be BGC if there was no lights? I don't think so. Good evening, guys. Good evening from another beautiful night here in Manila. So tonight, what I really want to do is go down to BGC because one, I've never been there at night, so I want to check out the scene. Apparently it's extremely beautiful. Two, I've never been to Forbes town. And three, there's apparently a secret sort of underground cafeteria. I don't know how secret it is, but I want to check it out. Anyways, we got about a 30-minute walk, so I'll see you when I see you. That's what you call prime Manila traffic. I tried booking an on-cast, but no one wanted to take my calls. They're like, PK, you're gonna walk today. You're gonna walk 30 minutes instead of getting a ride for 10. You know what, after seeing that, maybe it's best that we do walk. Right now underneath the bridge, I have been warned to stay away from certain parts during sundown, and I am more cautious, but you know what? I think we're gonna be good. I think we are gonna be good. We need a drink for the road though. Hello po. Kumusta ka? Do you guys sell water? Yes. Okay, can I get one please? Salamat kuya. Makano? 10 pesos only. 10 pesos only, my man. Anong pangalan mo? Grata Great. Grata Great. Little shy. Salamat. What's your challenge, sir? Travel Chronicles, brother. Cheers. Thank you very much, brother. Thank you. Salamat kuya. All right. Hey, what's up? What's up? Hey. I think this is it. We're beginning to enter BGC. I mean, it kind of looks like BGC, right? You got the cleaner roads. You have the plants everywhere. You could see the massive Gotham building down there. That kind of looks like the Empire State Building in the background. It doesn't show in the video, but it's super tall. Oh man, it's been about close to 6 months now since the last time I was here in BGC. And to be honest with you, I've only ever been here twice. I kind of forget how nice it looks. Usually I like to spend my time around the Quiapo, Binondo area. Hello po, kamusta ka? Okay lang po. But you know what? Once in a while, it's nice to come down here in the BGC, Makati, Eastwood area, just to get a little different taste. That's the thing about BGC, it's extremely green, right? You have a whole lot of trees everywhere, whole lot of beauty, a ton of gorgeous buildings all around. These are like their condominiums. It's a nice living here. All right, now I'm looking for Forbes town. I think that's the general direction I should go. The last time I was here, I didn't really check out Forbes town, so I don't know what it's supposed to look like. Oh my goodness. See, there's so much to take in that you don't really realize what's going on, right? You have all sorts of Shaka, Tim Hortons, little bit of cafes, little bit of restaurants on this side in a fairly elegant manner. You could see it lit up and it looks so gorgeous. And then on that side, it's the exact same thing, but you know, in a different architectural design. And if we just walk down here, I'm wondering what we're gonna find. Lights everywhere. I mean, how could you not have a smile on your face when everything looks so pretty, right? And look at this. Ooh, it's like starlights. Little starlights. You go into your condominium. Believe me, that's not what your boys used to. That's not how I live. YouTube doesn't pay that well, guys. Let me just tell you that. And we got a nice little restaurant over here. Another restaurant. I believe this one's maybe Japanese. Of course, we have the patio bar, and whoa, look at that. Honestly, I'm kind of like lost at words. I don't remember BGC being as beautiful as it is right now. Maybe because I came during the day, and of course it was really nice, but this is on a whole nother level. I've never seen a place lit up like this. Hello, kuya. Is this Forbes town, bro?
Yeah.
Forbes town. Okay, and then down there would be around High Street?
High Street? Street, sir.
Over there. Okay, what if I go down there? What's down there? The Icon Tower. Oh, interesting. Okay, salamat kuya, salamat. Okay, let's go see what's down there. He said there's some sort of tower. What kind of tower is down there? This literally feels like you're walking through a beautiful jungle, a beautiful like man-made jungle. Honestly, look at this. I don't even know what to say. I'm like flabbergasted right now. We have Kuya directing traffic for us, keeping us safe. Salamat Kuya. Salamat. Okay. Let's see. We got a dog trying to escape. Forbes Town Mega World. I gotta stay away from this music. We don't want a copyright strike, but check this. We have streetcar vendors, a little bit of mozzarella, cheese, toast, and down here, Thai Filipino cafe, a little bit of coffee. Hello po, kamusta ka? Okay lang, very good. And potato corner, a little bit of potato corner action. A lot of you have told me to try potato corner. I haven't got around to it because I want to go to that secret underground cafe. But this is pretty cool as well. I don't know if this is a Friday evening sort of thing where they have all these vendors out, but very interesting. People just chilling, a little bit of buying action going on. I don't know when to cross, so you know what? I'm gonna follow the professionals. I don't know when to cross, so I'm just gonna follow you guys. You're better than me. All right, yes, yes, yes. Salamat po, salamat. Mission accomplished. We crossed the road safely. Can you believe it? That's a 2-floor coffee shop. Imagine that. You get 2 floors dedicated for coffee. This place must get super busy. And I'm not gonna lie, I want some coffee right now, but if I drink it, I'm not going to bed until 7 in the morning. Yeah, this is very different from the last time I came. I came during morning the last time I was in BGC and it was completely empty, but right now on a Friday evening, this place looks pretty packed. You can see people are just chilling on the patio, having coffee, a little bit of meetings over here, just relaxing, having a good time. And then lights everywhere. Would it be BGC if there was no lights? I don't think so. So the last time I was here, I don't remember this waterfall being present. Look at this. We got the stairs going up, a little bit of water trickling. We have the fountains shooting up, different colors. And of course the billboard, but this isn't the right billboard. That right there is the billboard. The famous one, should I say, where you have massive animals popping out. But I guess Samsung paid them a lot of money to promote this for the people. It's all about the money, guys. It's all about the money. Let me give you a look of this beautiful place. We have the park over there. Absolutely gorgeous. And then the massive walkway. Kind of feels like you're in New York. All right, and this is where we cross. I could see why a lot of people get super attracted to this place and kind of attached. It's not hard to see the why. Oh, this is, I think, Hyde Park right here. Look at that. Big BGC sign, huge tiles, super clean, super nice. Man, they maintain BGC so well. Why would they have this open area? Probably for events, right? And then you have seating and a whole lot of, yeah, we've seen this Rolex store before. That was my first impressions. Now it's starting to come back. Now I remember this place. But I haven't seen it like this. That's gorgeous. I'm supposed to be vlogging for you guys, but I'm getting lost in the lights. I'm getting lost in the sauce. This isn't what I'm used to, I could tell you that. So off camera, I had somebody telling me the underground food court is just down there. So we're one step closer. It's called Food District. Okay, if it wasn't for somebody else, I would never find this. It's kind of hidden. It's hidden to the side of a little coffee shop. Let's see. Hello, Kuya. Salamat. Okay. We have our little one-person escalator, food district signature on 5th Street. Ooh. My big nose is tingling. I can smell some good food. All right. Let's check this out. We got fried chicken over here, a little bit of Taiwan. We have Italy yummy, some soup, some delicious juice, empanadas. What else? Ah, look at this. Green apple, blueberry, waffles over here, donuts. Kayuki ramen. I mean, I could use some ramen, not gonna lie. But let's see what else they have. I want to check out what else they have. Kind of chicken sisig, a little bit of fish, bopis lechon. Ooh, hanging lechon. What I'm really curious about is their prices. You know, in high-end places, you pay a lot of money. Hello. That's the chef right there. He's gonna make a ramen real delicious. Hello po. Kamusta ka? What kind of meat is the Kyuku?
Kyuku ramen.
Yeah, what kind of meat is that?
Pork belly.
It's all pork. Is it possible just to get a plain ramen with no meat? I'll get the Kyuku.
You can separate that.
Yeah, okay, I will do that. Thank you.
One Kyuku in separate.
Yes, please.
99 pesos.
Here you go, po. Salamat. Okay, so we have this little bit of a number. I guess we go take our seats, wait for it to buzz, and we got our ramen. I'm a bit sad that it was all pork. I kind of wanted some meat, but you know what? We have the delicious ramen. Let's see how it tastes. We're gonna give it a rating out of 10. Oh, it's beeping. That's us right there. Thank you, po. Salamat. This one? Salamat po. Amazing. All right, this is us. Now the hard part is walking and not dropping it. And you guys know how clumsy I am. Perfect. Look at this. Right in the corner. 99 pesos for ramen in BGC. I mean, I was expecting double that. So I will take this all day, every day. Anyways, they separated the pork. We're not gonna eat that. But here's the ramen over here. It's pretty steep. It seems like a thick broth. And then you have the spring onions and one little sort of seaweed. Now the biggest test, the taste. Smells good though. Thin noodles, and you know it's kind of infused with the onion, so mushroom, onion, seaweed flavor. I believe this is a Japanese dish, maybe? Takuyu, something like that. We needed something like this after all that walking. I would say it does lack a little bit of salt, sodium, but I couldn't find condiments, so I guess you eat it as it goes. Eat it as it is. That's a better word. If I were to rate this ramen, I would probably rate it maybe a 6 out of 10. 6 out of 10 seems generous for this. It's good, but I would give the price a 10 out of 10, especially for BGC. Yeah, I would come here all day. That's more in our budget than the restaurants in BGC. All right, that was decent, but I'm still pretty hungry, guys. So I think what we're gonna do is probably grab another snack. Fresh juice? How much?
100, sir.
100. What is this one? Avocado? Avocado, we have mango, melon, cucumber, and you know what? Can I get one mango, please? Thank you. You know, I said I wanted a cookie, but you know what? They caught my eyes with that juice. We could use the juice. Nice and refreshing. Oh, it's a big cup too. Big cup. Very, 24 ounce. Very nice. Amazing. And then we got it sealed over there so I don't spill anything. They know I'm clumsy.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, po. This one I have to do one shot. Just pop, one shot. Let me use my strong hand. Hey, we did it, one try. Have a good day, take care, Ingat. It's always fun. You gotta always make fun of, yourself, you know? Don't take life too serious. Back out where we started at the fountains. Beautiful, beautiful area. It even got busier down there. And we have our little mango juice. Did you guys hear that? So loud. Now, I gotta say, I'm actually pretty impressed by how big this mango juice is, and also the price as well. The little secret food court, so to say, I rated a 10 out of 10 for being affordable. Very, very affordable, especially in the area that it is. You can probably have your lunch, dinner, breakfast, everything just down there if you really wanted. And you wouldn't be breaking the bank. And this right here is the famous Mitsukoshi Mall. You could see it's lit up in gold colors. It's golden plated on the exterior. You have the fancy lights on this side, all over the trees. And if you go even closer, you can see they literally lit up all their bushes as well. Pretty elegant. Actually, I would say it's very elegant. Even the interior of the mall looks super luxurious. But you know what we're gonna do? We're not gonna do a mall tour today. We're gonna stick to the exterior of BGC. However, I just had to come over here and kind of admire Mitsukoshi Mall. I mean, would it really be a BGC vlog if we weren't in Uptown? I don't think so. But guys, I'm right across Mega World Uptown Mall and I see a massive fountain show. The only time I've ever seen a fountain show was in Dubai, and I'm actually really shocked that they have one here in Philippines. I might speak louder because of the music, because I don't want to get a copyright strike, but you know what? Here we go, let's check it out. Oh no, it stopped just as I came. That's horrible. Look at that epic fill. Guys, there was a fountain show going on, there was pyro, there was fire, and then PK comes and then they stop the whole thing. Welcome to my vlogs. Oh, here we go. You know what else I also noticed? They have lights on the ground. So red, you're not allowed to go, and green, you are allowed to go. A lot of the more modern countries are starting to adopt it. We still don't have this in the West, so the fact that Philippines does, good for you guys.